What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your lane indicator from 1 tick to 3 ticks. So what you want to do is firstly press menu. This will open the menu. So you go down to vehicle settings and it should be the second option down. This is a 2013 Ford Fiesta. So flash once or 3 times. So at the minute I have it set 3 times. So let's go a quick flick up and there we go, that's 3. And if we set this to 1 now.
Set this to 1. Lane change, flash once.
And it should only flash once now. There we go. A quick burst, and there we go. So if you did enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see any more tutorials on the car. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.